Hello students, this is Sachin Dodi on behalf of the Educare and I am back with a daily dose of current affairs. Today we will discuss the current affair topics for 15th May 2021. सबसे पहले करंट अफेयर, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट जो हमारी केंद्र सरकार है उसने वादा किया है कि 1 करोड़ 91 लाख वैक्सीन वो राज्यों को और यूनियन टेरिटरीज को मुफ्त में बिना किसी कॉस्ट के देगी. The central government has announced that it will supply over 1 crore 91 lakh vaccine doses to the states and union territories completely free of cost in the next 15 days. The vaccine allocation will include 162.5 lakh doses of Covishield vaccine and 29.49 lakh doses of Covaxin. The delivery schedule for the allocation will be shared in advance. The center has also asked the states to direct the concerned officials to ensure rational and judicious utilization of allocated doses and minimum vaccine wastage. अगला करंट अफेयर, बहुत ही अच्छी खबर. भारत की जो कोविड-19 की रिकवरी रेट है वो इम्प्रूव हो चुकी है और 83.50% हो गई है. पिछले 24 घंटों में 3.4 लाख लोग इससे रिकवर हो चुके हैं कोविड से. The Union Health Ministry informed on May 14, 2021 that the national COVID-19 recovery rate has improved to 83.5%. Around 2 crore 79,000 people have recovered till now from COVID-19 infection. अगला करंट अफेयर, पेरिस जो कि फ्रांस की राजधानी है वहाँ की जो सेंट्रल एरिया है, जो मेन सिटी एरिया है, उसके कई लेन्स में इन्होंने बोला गया है कि वहाँ पे ट्रैफिक रिड्यूस किया जाएगा. वहाँ पे किसी भी किस्म की ट्रैफिक अलाउड नहीं होगी और वो पेडेस्ट्रियंस के लिए और साइकिलिस्ट के लिए ओपन कर दिया जाएगा. The Paris City Council is preparing a plan to drastically reduce car traffic in the center of the French capital by 2022. The plan will ban traffic in 4 central districts, giving priority instead to cyclists, pedestrians, and public transport. According to the council, low traffic zones will result in a less polluted, more greener, peaceful, and safer city. Paris added hundreds of kilometers of cycle lanes during the COVID-19 pandemic. While residents and businesses would still be allowed to drive in the central area, traffic would be banned. The scheme follows the example of other cities such as Madrid, Nantes, and Rome that have pedestrianized some areas. अगली खबर, ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने जो भारत से फ्लाइट्स के लिए बैन लगाया हुआ था वो टेम्पररी बैन को लिफ्ट कर दिया है. Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison announced on May 14, 2021 that the temporary suspension on flights from India to Australia will end at May 14 midnight. The facilitated commercial flights by the Australian government will resume as promised, however with a stricter pre-flight testing regime. All Australian citizens wishing to return back home from India will have to mandatorily undergo a COVID testing and must have a negative certificate before boarding. Further, they will be required to quarantine for 2 weeks upon reaching Australia. There are around 9,000 Australian citizens and permanent residents in India hoping to get back home. आखिरी खबर यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स से, तो बहुत ही बड़ी खबर. The US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, जिसको CDC बोलते हैं, उन्होंने कह दिया कि अब जिनको पूरी तरह से जो दोनों डोजेस लग गई है, उन्हें वैक्सीनेशन की है अमेरिका में, उनको अब कहीं भी मास्क पहनने की आवश्यकता नहीं है. The US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, that is CDC, informed on May 12, 2021 that fully vaccinated people no longer need to wear their masks indoors and outdoors. The CDC guidelines stated that fully vaccinated people can resume their activities without any further restrictions prior to the pandemic, except where required by federal, state, local, tribal, or territorial laws and rules. Further, it said that people traveling in the US will no longer need to get tested before arrival or no longer need to self-quarantine after travel. However, people will still require a negative test result or documentation of recovery from COVID-19 before boarding an international flight to the United States. So that's it for today. I will see you guys with more current affair topics. Till then, keep studying, keep learning. This is Sachin Dodi on behalf of the Educare, signing off.